make me feel this. I don't know how to put it in words for you to hear this. I think I've got that crazy little puppy girl. Yeah, she stole my heart, didn't you notice? And the things you do never made me feel this. I don't know how to put it in words for you to hear this. I think I've got that crazy little puppy girl. So come with me and share the view. I'll have you see forever too. Hold me now.
May piña colada drinks. Yan, inom-inom, bonding time with my kids. Saka ito, enjoy para masarap ang buhay. Happy family. Yan, bonding time namin. So, pagkatapos namin dito, kakain na kami. So, our dessert is leek and potato. They are eating now. The restaurant now is very busy. Yeah, very busy. Yeah. And look at that, how busy is the restaurant. This is fish and chips for my dinner. So, ito na ang dinner namin, guys. Fish and chips. We have pasta. That's our dinner. And this is lapi and lapi.
I don't know why I have a knife here.
Tignan mo, guys. So, may mga bags sila. $95 American, 9 weeks. Ayan, guys.
So there's this.
Ayan, may mga jewelry din dito. Ayan. Ayan. Ayan, o. Ayan sila, o. Miss out namin yung bus namin, so hantay naman kami uli ng another bus. So dito kami naghantay sa tabi ng dagat at ang ganda-ganda na ganda-ganda na simoy ng hangin at ang sunog na sa araw. So flex lang, guys.
Bye.
You got a sign.
Oh yes, sorry.
She can't write? Yeah, she can't write.
No, I think I'll just maybe get the lighter type for now. Definitely. But I'll keep them. They tell them more.
Real menus. People collect them. I don't know. It's a real thing. That's why restaurants now, they always come and take the menus. Because people, have this thing about all the restaurants. They get all the menus. Take a photo.
We were at a restaurant, an Italian restaurant, and this is during that heat wave, end of January. And so we were outdoors, but they had no outdoor fans or anything like that. So we kept on asking if we could keep the menus so that we could have them as fans. But they were like, no.
Good morning guys, this is Dancing Palomama. Ngayon guys, it's our day 3 sa aming cruise. Ngayon ay nandito kami sa American restaurant, something like that.
We're in Silk.
Where are we? Souk. So we are on Souk restaurant guys, having breakfast. So mag-order muna ako guys ng aking breakfast ha.
Yeah, just.
Alright, so any dietary food allergy section here?
Sorry?
Any dietary?
Nah.
I don't know what you want.
Ako ay mag-order na ako guys. Ako ay market vegetable breakfast. Filipino ka?
Indonesia.
Any
side, ma'am, for the market vegetable bowl?
Side is which one? Hash brown.
Hash brown.
Yeah.
Thank you. How about you, sir?
I'll have the breakfast
So,
burrito.
Filipino.
And can I get some cheese grits and the corned beef hash, please? Thanks, mate.
Indonesian pala siya. So, pakita ko lang sa inyo guys, anong ganda ng restaurant sa barko na to ha. Ayan sila. Ganda, tingnan mo ang ganda. Tsaka mga yan. Ayan. Ganda-ganda ng mga nila, atmosphere nila. And of course, hello. Ayaw niya. Sige, bahala ka. So, guys, ito yung market vegetable na order ko. Very unique name. So, cheese Greek daw yan. And that's his order. What you have?
It's a breakfast burrito.
Breakfast burrito. Yan.
And corned beef hash.
Corned beef hash. Ang dami niyang in order. So, kain lang muna kami guys. So, pagkatapos namin kumain, pasyal-pasyal at upo-upo sa upuan ni Queen Elizabeth. So guys, this is our day 3 cruise. So ngayon ay naghahantay ako ng aking hairdresser. So maganda, mayroon din silang mga official, mayroon mga doktor dito. Ang laki-laki kasi ng cruise na to. So at the moment, I'm enjoying spending money. See you guys. Tsaka mayroon pa sila dito ganyan daw guys. So tapos yun mga kerastis nila yan. So guys, ito na ngayon ay anuhan na ako ni Renz. Ang ganda niya.
I'm from Philippines. From Zamboanga.
Ay bisa, ay kuan ka kanang mura Chabacano.
Dili uy, Ilonggo, Cebuano.
Mo din
so
guwapa
I can
ka.
speak multilingual language.
Hala. Guwapa siya. Pagandahin daw niya ako.
Ang ganda ng skin ko dyan.
Oh, siyempre,
Kasi dahil sa LMS, bumili kay LMS.
Binabalag ka. Oh, bili daw kayo ng LMS.
LMS is good for
Everything. Tightening saan?
Skin, tightening,
kala ko tightening.
targeting your deep set of lines and wrinkles.
Yeah.
And it's good for the hydration, very deep hydration. It's 250% of hydration, yes.
So,
And you can also use Kerastase, high-end brand of Florida that only you can find in our cruise line.
so ano tong cruise na to? Caribbean.
This is the Royal Caribbean.
So,
So,
sikat siya.
We are
Royal-
doing keratin treatment. It's a smoothing treatment that can eliminate the frizziness of your hair up to 8 weeks. So when you join the ship, when you join the cruise, come to us and do your treatment.
Look for rains.
Yes, rain from Philippines.
Ano spelling yun?
Ulan, rain.
Rain.
Come again, another day.
Maudi ay. So, hanapin nyo si Rain, guys. Rain, not rains. Hanapin nyo si Rain. Ayan na siya, tingnan mo.
My name is so easy to remember.
Yeah,
because
Ulan.
I have only one person that has Rain's name.
Yeah. Talaga nga tunay mo pangalan niya?
My name is Rainan Te.
Arin na.
See?
Ikaw.
That's my Rainan.
Akala ko talaga tunay mo pangalan si Rain. Yun
Of course,
pala, Renante.
Yes. If we are in the business, like this, you should make your name like it's easy to
Remember. Well, not Renante.
Yes. Renante is when I'm doing my military job. Yeah.
Si guys, pinatawa ako ni Rain.
If I'm doing my job in salon, it's Rain.
Pag sa military, Renante.
Yes. Pag nasa ako sa kalye, mang snatch jari.
Ay, matatawa ka talaga. Sige guys, ipakita ko na lang sa inyo ang result ng aking
Keratin treatment.
saka magpapanel ako. Talagang papatayin ako ng aking asawa. Puro na lang ako gastos.
You deserve it because you are in a vacation, so pamper yourself, okay? This is not every day. So we are here 7 days floating in the ocean, so you can do nothing. Just come to the spa and relax.
Yeah.
Pamper yourself. You deserve it. You work hard. Then
Wala na akong trabaho.
wala ka ng trabaho.
Wala na.
Retired, so retired people must be enjoy. Do what you want that you make you happy.
In-enjoy ko kagabi. Tinalo.
Makakabawi ka muna.
Mamaya? Sige.
Yes. Then pag nakabawi ka, punta
Siyempre,
tayo terma.
siyempre punta ko dito. Oh, Ren.
Siyempre ako
Ren.
ang lucky.
Ren,
Ang lucky,
nanalo
ano mo.
ako. Sabihin ko. Ren, nanalo ako. Ito sa'yo. Diba? Share the blessing. Sige guys. Flex lang. So guys, after ng aking keratin treatment, nandito ako ngayon sa aking kwarto. Next ko yung kwarto ko. Yan guys, ang kwarto ko. Yan. Tapos guys, yan. Ang dagat ngayon guys ay calm. Hindi maalon ngayon. So, yan guys. Tapos yan ang kasi nandito ako ngayon sa veranda ko. And I love you all sa lahat ng nagsusupport sa akin. At sawa na hindi kayo magsawa pag-support sa akin. Bye!